Today we're making beef bone soup. I call it Get Well Soup. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Here are my beef bones. You will need a big pot. In my pot I have a little bit of oil. Now we'll put our beef in. One teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon salt and pepper. 1 dried chili. Medium heat will cook for 6 minutes. Two cups of onion. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic.
Axum, how long do I cook this for?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay mate.
2 carrots, chunky cut. Potatoes, really chunky cut.
They're massive.
Now 3 liters of water.
Is that 2 litres?
Yes.
Ah, you've got the other one there.
Medium heat, 1 hour. That's it, 1 hour. Check for salt. That's my Get Well bone soup. If you're not feeling good, you can have the soup and you're gonna feel great. Lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.